just a real quick recap for section 6.3 standard form, because it kind of ties in all of the linear equations we discussed. This will be a abbreviated version of the whole lesson. An example they give here, they give us the standard form equation 2x plus 3y equals negative 12. What they're saying, and it's true, is that standard form can be written also as a slope-intercept form. And to do that, you just solve this equation for y. Subtract 2x, divide by 3, you'll get this. You can also convert it to point-slope form, which is a little bit more complex and not something we're going to do. But the bottom line is, those three types of forms are really all the same equation, and they can be interchanged to help you find different things. So we'll do some examples here for you. If you head into the third page, this is page 263. It says, write an equation in standard form for each of the lines. So they're giving you the slope as -2, so you say m equals -2. This is your x and this is your y. And then best thing to do, since all those linear equations you have on the board are all the same, we're going to plug these into the y equals mx plus b form and try to find this b here. Because once we have b, we already got the m, we can write this form of the equation and transform it into the standard form. So I'll show it to you now in this example here. So again, we have the m of -2, x and y, so plugging them all in, y is -10 equals m is -2, x is -7 plus b. So again, I just put these values into this equation, and I'll solve for the b. So this is going to become 14, I'm out of room here of course, -10 equals 14 plus b. I subtract the 14 from both sides, b is equal to -24. Well, I have m over here, here's the b. I can now write those into this form, point-slope form, and transfer it into standard form. And that's very easy. So what we'll do is just write it in here. So y equals -2x minus 24. So here's my m, here's the b. Well, standard form just has the x and y on the same side. I just got to move this x over here with the y. I am done. So I'll add 2x to both sides, and that's going. So 2x plus y equals -24. 2x plus y equals -24. That is standard form. You have the x and the y on the left, the constant on the right, standard form. Some other equations for you quickly in this section. Here's some where we just give you 2 points. So we've got to find the slope, and then with that slope, find the slope-intercept form. So quickly on the slope here, it's m equals, so it's -3 minus a -7, and 2 minus a 4. That's a plus, so that's going to be a 4 and a -2. The slope is -2 again. I pick one of these points. This is x, this is y, and of course this is m. Put those three numbers into slope-intercept form. So y is -3 equals m's -2, x is 2 plus b. This is -4, so -3 equals -4 plus b. I add 4 to both sides, and there you have b. b equals 1. Well, here's your m, here's your b. You put those into slope-intercept and transfer it to, or translate it into standard form. So here's what happens next. Again, going to slope-intercept form, we have y equals -2x plus a 1. Again, just add 2x to both sides. I'm finished. 2x plus y equals 1.